So what exactly is this multiple income funnel program all about? How does it work? And how can I make money with it if I'm someone who is completely brand new, if I have no technical experience, and if I'm someone who hates selling with a passion, can I really make money with this exact program? Hey, it's Arie here, and in this video I'm going to reveal all the details that you need to know about the multiple income funnel program so that if you're someone who is on this video right now and you're doing some research, maybe you have seen this sales video right here and you're wondering, how can I really make money with it if I'm someone who's brand new? Then in this video I'm going to cover everything that you need to know about this program. I'm going to go over all the details, which I think I've said that already like a million times, and I'm going to reveal exactly how you can maximize your earnings with this program, even if you are someone who is brand new to this online marketing industry, right? So let's not waste any more time and let's dive right into things, right? So if you are on this video right now, then chances are you have at some point seen this video or heard about this program. You've seen this headline up here. Can we custom build you this same exact website so you can start earning multiple commissions from 4 income streams on 100% autopilot? Does this really work if I'm someone who's brand new, right? So I'm going to explain all of this right here in a little bit. But what I want to first and foremost do is I want to show you some of the results that I myself have gotten and a couple other people, just to show you the real power of a program like this, right? So I just want to say real quick, please stay with me to the very end of this video, because at the end of this video, I've got a really cool bonus that will help you really maximize your earnings and really shorten the learning curve with this program, right? So I want to show you real quick. These are some of the results that I've been able to get with this exact program. You know, this is paying me monthly residual income, and there used to be a lot more, commissions showing up on this page, but because I recently did a payout with this program, I recently requested like $140 of a payout, like I request like a check in the mail. It doesn't really show it in here at the moment, right? So I did a payout. There's 2 more commissions that are pending, but that's not all. There's commissions from other sources, like this one, for example. I currently have about I had 90 that I earned with this program, and I currently have I had 42 sitting in this account. I think because I logged into here, it doesn't show it, and so it shows in like a different account right here, right? But I had $42 in this account that I'm going to be requesting to get paid out, which is pretty cool. And then I also recently got paid my second $1,000 day with this exact program. This was just paid out just earlier today, March 26th. I got this sale actually paid out, which is pretty cool. And then also I recently got a $100 sale with this exact program. But it's not just myself who's getting results. There are tons of other members in this program that are doing really well. Tons of people who are both veterans in the industry and also people who are completely brand new who are getting phenomenal results with this program. So this program is helping people to create monthly residual income, these $20 monthly recurring commissions right here. It's helping people to get mid-ticket commissions, $100 a day, $350, $500. It's helping people to get these high-ticket $2,000 commissions per every single day, and it's also allowing people to get monthly predictable income. Repeat buyers coming, and buying over and over again, and just getting these repeat commissions every single month, right? So pretty exciting stuff when you really think about it. But let's answer the question: how exactly does this all work, and how can I really make money with this if I'm someone who's completely brand new, right? So I'm going to reveal all the details of this program right now. And the way that this program works is this is a very simple 4-step system that allows you to leverage a already pre-built, proven system that is working for other members, right? So you have 4 very simple steps right here, and I'm going to go through everything and kind of walk you through all the steps in this video. But with step number 1, you have this video that you want to watch, a short video, and then here you could join the Facebook group, which will give you access to the group where people are kind of sharing their results and interacting with one another, right? So you could join that. And then step number 2 is where you'll set up your income streams to get paid, right? So these are the 4 income streams that you could build, that you could, of course, get set up right here, and you can, of course, earn from, which is pretty cool. So you have the first income stream, which is the system itself. This allows you to get these monthly recurring commissions every single month. Income stream number 2 is a program by the name of Easy One Up. This is this program right here, and they are able to pay commissions anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000. What's great about this one is that they pay out instant commissions. So when you make a sale, then you get that commission paid out instantly. And it's also 100% of the commission, so you get to keep, pretty much all of that, right here at, whenever you get a sale, which is pretty cool. Third income stream is a program by the name of TextBot AI. So that's this one right here. This allows you to get both $100 commissions as well as $500 commissions, simply by sharing people this exact program right here. And then, of course, income stream number 4 is a program by the name of Traffic Authority, which allows you to get commissions when people decide to buy traffic and promote the program. Now, with that being said, these are all the 4 income streams that are inside of the program, but how exactly does this work in terms of promoting it? How do I actually get results with this program, and what I really need to do to really have long-term consistent results online, right? So with this program right here, the nice thing about it is that 90% of the work is already done for you, right? So typically when you go out there on other sites like ClickBank or Digistore24 or any other affiliate marketplace where you have to learn lots of other things like building out sales funnels, creating your own capture pages, making your own sales videos, writing out your own emails, building like your own follow-up list and all that type of stuff. With this program, it provides all of these things pretty much done for you, or most of it rather, right? So you have really high converting capture pages that are working for tons of members in this group right here. You have a really high converting sales video that just does all of the explaining and telling very well and just gets people to buy right there on the spot, which is also really great. And it also has videos inside the program which do a really great job at getting people to go through all the 4 steps and actually set up all the income streams that are right here, right? So the main thing that you want to focus on to really get results with this program is sending eyeballs to any of your capture page links right here, right? So you have, this one, for example, it has a headline right here. It has a little sneak peek of the video that they could watch. And when they click on this video, they're going to need to opt in by entering their first name and email to get access to the video. Now, the question is, how exactly do you get people to opt in to this exact video right here, and actually go through it? Where you find people? How do you get them to find this page and opt in, and of course get followed up with? Well, the answer to that is actually with income stream number 4, which is the Traffic Authority program, right? So you could actually use this to buy clicks to promote any of your capture page links. All right. So how this works is you go in here, select whatever package it is that you want. For example, if you buy the basic package at $220, this will give you anywhere from 170 to 190 clicks, and it's delivered within, like a week or 2 weeks. Then step 2, you include the link that you want to promote. So in this case, what you would do is you'd go to the links tab right here. You'd simply right click on this link, click on copy link address, and then you go to Traffic Authority, where you simply paste the link in, and then you just complete the transaction. What will happen is they will start sending clicks over to your link. And what's great about this is when people opt in, the system is going to do all the explaining and telling for them. And even if they don't buy right away on the front end, these people who opt into this page are going to be followed up with on your behalf, right? So the system has its own follow-ups that they have already in the system. And as long as you're consistently getting eyeballs on this page and you're getting opt-ins very consistently, then you can have phenomenal results with this program, because it does a really phenomenal job at converting a lot of their leads into actual buyers. Now, that being said, some people will go on to have phenomenal results with this program. As you can see here in the group, you see tons of people sharing their results that they've gotten with this program. But with any program that you decide to join, whether it's this program or any other program, there's always going to be a group of people who succeed, and there's always going to be a group of people who fail online, right? So if you're on this video right now, and if you've ever bought into any other program in the past, and you've seen other people succeeding, and you join it, and for whatever reason you can't seem to get results, then I want to kind of talk about that a little bit right here, right? So in my case, I've been online since May 2017, like mid 2017. And I could say from experience, I've been on both sides of the coin. I've joined many programs in the past that have, where I've seen tons of members getting results from. But for whatever reason, when I would join it, I had a very hard time getting any traction whatsoever. I would join it. I felt like I followed all the steps, but I couldn't seem to really get the results that other people were getting. Now, why is that exactly? What's the difference between those who get consistent results versus those who don't? Well, in my experience, the thing that I actually learned, later on, after like 2 years of like making very little to no money, is it's not so much about the program that you join. It's not so much about, whether or not this program's legit or if it works, or because at the end of the day, if people are getting results of this program, then there's absolutely no reason why you should really fail with this program. But with that being said, some people will still fail with this program and other programs out there that they decide to join, right? So it's not so much about, the program, but it's more so about how you promote the program, right? So if all you do is you just join the program and you consistently get traffic to your capture pages and you're letting the system go to work for you, you could have phenomenal results with this program. I truly believe that. However, what I will say is that those who really increase the results, they really maximize their earnings for the long term. They're able to get sales very consistently, like these high ticket commissions online that you can see right here. The people who really maximize the results in the long term always decide to go a bit above and beyond what a lot of other people are doing, right? So they are doing things in addition to what the system already, shows them how to do. Like, okay, they, for example, they do YouTube marketing, they do Facebook marketing, they're doing TikTok, they're leveraging other platforms, to build a following and also to really, maximize their exposure, build a much broader audience and get more exposure to the exact program. And when you do that consistently, when you decide to also go a bit above and beyond, this is what will allow you to really maximize your earnings for the long term. Now, with that being said, if you are on this video right now and if you see an opportunity for yourself with this program, you're like, man, this looks really awesome. I want to really get into this. I want to get these high ticket commissions online. But also, you don't want to just dip your toes in the water and just try it out for a little bit. You want to get these sales, for the long term. You want to consistently get $1,000 days, $2,000 days. You want to get commissions paid out to you, very consistently, at least every single week. Then what I want to do for those who decide to take action right now is I want to offer you a really cool bonus to really help you get up and running and really maximize your earnings in the shortest amount of time possible, right? And what I've decided to do for my members is I put together my own exclusive training that shows you everything in terms of how to get up and running with this program. I provide you some really great mindset training to really help you get in the right frame of mind when you go through this program. I provide you resources like my own funnels that I put together. And if you want to, you could literally copy everything that I'm doing in terms of the capture pages that I'm using to promote this program. I have my own that I created, my own capture pages, my own sales videos. I have my own email follow-ups that I've built myself. And you could literally replicate everything that I'm doing with this exact bonus right here to really, help yourself look unique and to really kind of stand out from the competition, right? So there's not that many people using these capture pages and these sales funnels that I put together myself, and that is what will give you an advantage amongst your competition when you decide to use these funnels right here. I also provide you some really great training in terms of how to become unique. So I show you things in terms of how to build your own sales funnels. I show you how to build your own list, how to write your own emails, how to offer bonuses. And this is a really great way to help yourself stand out from a lot of the competition that's out there, right? So I just want to say that these things in this section of training is completely optional. You don't have to do this. But if you want to maximize your earnings for the long term, if you consider yourself to be a big thinker and you want to get these types of commissions online very consistently, then I highly recommend that you take advantage of this training and you decide to go through it and learn exactly the skills of, getting those long-term consistent results, right? So the main message that I've been kind of leading with in a lot of these videos is, always start with what works. So if you see people having results of the program like this, for example, then I recommend starting with what works, but always see if you could go beyond that, right? And that's really what my training is intended to help you do. I also provide you some really great ways in terms of driving traffic. So I show you things in terms of how to generate traffic with YouTube, with Facebook, with one of the platform I'm looking into now is TikTok. I might have that included here at some point down the road. Maybe by the time that you're watching this, it might already be in there. But I've got tons of other methods that you could use to promote this exact program to really help you maximize your earnings and shorten the learning curve as much as possible, right? And I've got one more really cool bonus for you when you decide to take action and you decide to get started right now. And this is going to be specifically for those who come in the second income stream, which is this program right here, Easy One Up. And you come in at the highest level in here, which is the $2,000 level. Now, I understand that for some this might be a stretch, maybe you don't have this right away, but when you come in at this level right here, not only is this going to position you to get these high ticket commissions online up to $2,000, paid out instantly, not only is it going to allow you to maximize your earnings, but also you're going to get much more support from myself, right? So one other thing that I'm offering to members who come in at this level is private one-on-one coaching sessions. So if you want to be able to get on a private session with myself, you want to be able to ask me any question in terms of how to really maximize your earnings, if you want to see literally everything that I'm doing to get results of this program, then I highly recommend coming in this level, because I will be willing to get on a private coaching call with you, through Zoom, where we actually will work out a plan to help you get results with this program. So with that being said, if you see an opportunity for yourself, you're like, man, I really want to jump on board with this program, I really want to get these high ticket commissions online, then go ahead, click the link of the button down below, get started today, and my friend, I will see you on the inside. Take care.